Today we're installing the Madjax Brush Guard designed for the club car tempo. Before we get started, you want to engage the parking brake and turn the key to the off position. We're going to remove our factory bumper. You're going to need a 10mm wrench and a 13mm socket. We're going to remove the bolt here at the front of the frame. This will allow us to remove our bumper. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts located here at the frame. We're going to attach our mounting bracket to the two bolt holes here. The mounting bracket slides right over the frame with the two ears here pointed up. We're going to use the factory hardware to secure the mounting bracket in place. Once all four bolts are in place, then tighten. If you're installing a winch, now's a good time to do so. Using the supplied Torx head bolts and hardware, we're going to secure the brush guard to our mounting bracket at the 3 locations on each side of the mounting bracket. Once all 6 bolts are in place, then tighten your hardware. With the slotted holes, you do have some play so you can adjust the brush guard to your liking. Using a T40 Torx socket and a 17mm wrench, we're going to secure our brush guard. You're now finished installing your Madjax Brush Guard designed for the club car tempo.